So guess what just popped up in the FCC database? Yep, DJI's long-rumored Osmo Nano. And judging by the name alone, this thing might be tiny, like where'd it go? Levels of tiny. If you've been waiting for DJI to make something ultra compact again, this might be it. Now, the FCC listing doesn't spill all the juicy details, but here's what we do know. Two model numbers showed up. ON001 and OD001 sounds boring, but some people think ON001 could be the actual camera, and OD001 might be a little screen or display module. That setup totally gives off Action 2 vibes, right? Remember that one? It was modular, super flexible, but DJI kind of ditched the form factor after that in favor of the more classic rectangular design like GoPro and Insta360. This Nano though, it feels like a comeback. A shot at the super small cam market that GoPro's Hero 11 Mini and Insta360's Go 3S are currently playing in. And let's be honest, those things are ridiculously fun. Stick them on your cap, your board, your drone, forget you're even wearing one. There are also whispers, well, rumors really, about the Nano bringing back that snappy magnetic mounting system, plus some fancy new AI stabilization and way better heat control. Basically, they're aiming for all the power without the overheating in something that could fit in your jeans coin pocket. Everyday creators, athletes, FPV pilots, this one's probably got your name on it. Oh, and while we're talking about DJI's secret lab projects, the Osmo 360, yeah, that got FCC clearance too late last year, and tons of leaked pics are floating around already. It's rocking a dual lens setup and might be DJI's direct shot at the GoPro Max or Insta360 X5. Some say it's packing a 1/1.3 inch sensor. Others think it could go full 1 inch. Either way, that thing's gonna be wild for immersive video. With both the Nano and Osmo 360 showing up on the FCC radar, DJI looks like it's about to stretch the Osmo lineup in two completely different directions, smaller than ever and wider than ever. And knowing DJI's usual pattern, these filings usually mean we're just weeks, maybe a couple months, away from an official launch, possibly alongside something like the Mini 5 Pro or Avatar 3, if the rumors pan out. So yeah, things are getting interesting. Anyway, that's a wrap for this one. If you're into this kind of stuff, hit subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video.